This is a brief demo to show you how to use Blackboard. So to access Blackboard, you open the web browser on your computer, and then you go to CUNY, which is the main site of the university. And from there, you move your mouse over where it says login, click on Blackboard, and it should point you to enter your credentials. You use your CUNY login credential. This is the same thing that you use to access CUNY first when you register for your course. So it's your first name, that last digit of your employee ID at login.cuny.edu, and your password. Once you click on that, it should take you straight to Blackboard. As you can see, now I'm in Blackboard. My name is displayed on top here, and I have notifications here. It says I have 24 new things that have been added to all the courses that I have access to. Now let me switch to student view so you can see how it is on the student side since I have admin access. Same thing, homepage, which shows me the same thing. As you can see, as a student, I'm using a test account, the name, again, the notification about the course that I'm taking, like anything that happens in the course, but you can ignore that. So here I have two main areas that I need to focus on. My courses, that's where all the courses in which I'm enrolled for the term or past current terms will be displayed. In my organization, these are like resources, course side that I'm members of. So basically, if I'm a member of the SLU orientation resource for the fall, it will be displayed here. I can access it. If I haven't taken the student sexual misconduct orientation course, it will be displayed here as well. So now let's go back to the course. The course, they all will be listed here once again. So all I have to do to access my course, any of the courses that I'm enrolled in, I just have to click here. And once I click on it, it takes me to the course. The course is basically like a website, like a web page. You know, you have the navigation menu. When you're on a website, you click on different links, so it takes you to wherever you want to go. So it's the same thing for the course. So I have the navigation menu here, and whatever I click here displays on this big part of the screen. So by default, the entry page for the course is set to the announcement. So if I click on announcements, the same thing gonna be displayed. Usually instructors use the announcement to post any type of announcement or messages that they want the students to see quickly. But please note that not all the courses are set up the same way. Depending on how the instructor is teaching, they might have different content here and the entry page might be different, but most of them usually is the same. So based on what your instructor wants to attract your attention to, the course will be set up differently. So I'll click here, instructor information. As I mentioned, it's like a website. I click on the link and display the content on the main page. So for instructor information, usually the instructor will post their name, their title, email address, phone number, and usually they have a picture of themselves, but it's not required. Course information again, just like the same thing. And so you click on it, it opens on the main screen, and then you have multiple content in there. You have like a file that the instructor uploads for the syllabus. You have a web link to Dropbox folder, and you have another file that says called presentation. You have a link to the Zoom class, and you have like a folder inside that main container. You have a sub container, so which is a folder. If I click on the folder, I can see there are more stuff in there. So it's similar like a website. You click on the link, you click on the menu, it takes you to one, and you go down those. Multiple areas like assignments is another important area. If you have to submit your assignments to Blackboard, the instructor will set the assignment, and all you have to do when on the date that the assignment you're supposed to submit it, you click on the title here. That will open the assignment. You have a with descriptions of the exercise you have to, the number of the points of the assignment, and then please note you have to use Microsoft Word or whatever tools you use to write your paper. And then when you come here, click browse local files so that you can submit your assignment. Okay, you can use the right submission. The issue is that if you lose internet connection, that's it. Your assignment is automatically submitted, so therefore you don't have a chance. So the best suggestion is to use the browse local file. Type your paper with Microsoft Word, save it either on a jump drive or your computer. Then when you come here, you click browse local file to select it and then submit it. Also, don't do save as a draft. Save as a draft doesn't complete the submission. Therefore, your instructor will not get a notification that the assignment has been submitted. Okay, so it would as a result, you would not getting a grade for the assignment. Always make sure that you click on submit. When you click save draft, that will allow you to go back and complete the assignment and then submit it. Please note, sometimes the instructor might set a due date. So once past that due date, you may not be able to submit the assignment. So that's what it is for assignment. So once you submit the assignment, you will get a notification to your email that the assignment has been submitted. The instructor will also get a notification, and when the grade is posted, you should be able to see it. Discussion is another area that instructor use a lot to facilitate class interactions. So basically they will create a forum and student will go into the forum and answer questions about whatever the case, the subject is, and commented on each other's posts. So therefore, it's a way for students to interact with each other. Once again, it all depends on the class, what the instructor wants you to do as a student. Most of the classes, they should have the Zoom link here that will take you to the Zoom room that is used for that class. My grades is also another important area. This one, once you submit assignment, it's graded. The grade will be displayed here. So you can you can sort it by all assignment that's in the course, whether you those assignments are already due or they will be doing future. This basically displays every single assignment that's in the course, and then you can see upcoming, which is the one that's coming soon, and then submitted, the one that you submitted. So basically that's it. I will work with your instructors if they're planning to use Blackboard. Even for those who teach in person, they might use Blackboard as a repository where they will load content, and then you guys can come into the Blackboard course site to get those content. But if your instructor choose to do so, I can stop by in the class as a 5-10 minute presentation for the whole class. If not the case, if you're having any issues, please contact IT Help Desk. They will create a ticket that for me, and then I'll take care of the issue, or I even depending on the issue, I can schedule a short Zoom session with you, and then we can go over it. Once again, welcome to SLU and good luck for the fall.